Hi everyone, welcome to AK Minds. Today I'll be showing you how to create my rubber band car. This is actually, I didn't make this already. This is just a fun experiment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna need the wooden sticks. Like in my rubber band planes, we use these wooden sticks to pull the rubber band back, and it will create the energy. So the first thing we should do is I think we should split this in half first. This half of paper is perfect. As you can see, this is the half of the paper. You can place your finger there, and it's around over here is the half. So we place it over here, place it over here. Yeah, around here is the half. So as I said, it's around that place is where you would see it. So just use your scissor and make a mark with it. After you damaged it a little bit, you can just snap it. And then, as you can see, they're the same size. So now you can do the same over here. Do the mark and cut. Mixed it up here. So as you can see, they're not exactly the same, but this is fine enough. We'll place it back to the side, move the paper out of the way, and as you can see, I have a bunch of propellers taken out of my rubber band plane. Propellers, why I did that is, so I said it's a rubber band powered car, so we're gonna need these hooks, and I decided to do that. And I left one over here so I can do it on camera. So you take the plier, and there's this little notch, as you can see, that stops it from going anywhere. And then you take that, and then you put your plier in it, and do that, and then it slowly will get off. Just do it again. Okay, yeah, now you can take it off. You need to use some force, and now it's off. Okay, so now we can take them and attach them together. So this is what I meant we're going to do. So when we attach it like this, we're gonna put the rubber bands on it, and then it's gonna rotate. So that's what we meant. Okay, now let's do it. So the hot glue gun is heated up. So now we attach it. Oops, it fell out. Oh no, first we can just do this. Okay, get it out and put it in. Okay, now it's nice and sturdy. Now we can take the hook and yeah. Oh, it flew out. We're gonna need way more hot glue than that. We take the stick. Now it shouldn't go out. Yep, and I was correct. It didn't go out this time. It ain't being naughty no more. And we'll do the same on the other side. So, and make sure it's the right way. It's nice and straight. Okay, now let's create the other wheel. Add the hot glue. Take it and attach it. Okay, nice. It's nice. And then we're gonna need to do the last one. Okay, now, as you can see, We have both of the wheels done. So now let's move on to the foam board part. Now this is gonna be the body where we're gonna, as you can see, when we like try pulling it, there's a little gap that comes, and that gap is enough to fit a foam board, I think. So we can take the foam board. So we'll make the car about, we'll say like, yeah, this long. So make little marks. And then, oh, yeah. And then just cut it out. The mark and cut it out. So now let's see if it fits, if our prediction was correct. Oh, yeah, it's pretty hard, but I'm sure we can get it to fit. Yeah, and it fits. All right, we're all right. Oh, yeah, it's very hard to get it in though. It really wants to slip out. Yeah, I got it in. So we'll get it more down. And then there you go. We have the first step. Like the back, these could be the back tires. So you want it to be real straight, so the car doesn't turn and crash somewhere. And yeah, this would be enough. And we push it in. Yeah, this part's the hard part. Yeah, I think you gotta like put your finger in and then just push it, then it goes in. Yeah, much better. It just wants to run away. Okay, push it in. Okay, yeah, we got it. This is the first part. Yeah, these keep falling out. Oh, it's coming like a chain. So just fit them in. Yeah, now here comes the hot glue again. We'll need a little bit. We're gonna need enough hot glue to, oh no, the hot glue is running out. Yep, we got right amount, just the right amount. Oh, yeah, it keeps falling. We'll worry about those later. So I think we'll just take them out for now, to make it way simpler. So take all of them out. Yeah, we'll just put these to the side so it doesn't be very annoying. Yeah, and as you can see, a few of them are in the wrong places, so you'd want to move that. We can put this down. Okay, yeah, now that we've corrected all that, we can get to the cool part. So, take all that off. And then, I think we'll actually, before we go to the cool part, I think we'll need some tape to stick them on more tight. Because, you know, we kind of ran out of hot glue. Okay, some tape over there. And yeah. Okay, yeah, this is sturdy enough. Yeah, it's not going anywhere at all. So now that we've done this, as you can see, this is our car so far. It's going really nicely. And what's the next part we need? Yes, we need this, the rubber bands. So it's time for us to put them back in. Oh, this one's getting stuck. We'll need to bend this. Yeah, now it fits. Oh, I think, did this one clog? I think this clogged. Why is so many clogging? Okay, we'll need to bend this one too. It's not going in. This is so weird. Oh, guys, it's slightly magnetic. That's cool. I really never knew that. Okay, yeah, this part is the weirdest part. It's not even going in. We're trying so much. Yeah, I think I'll have to go get another one. Yeah, I'll have to go get another one. Okay, we've got another one. That one was very weird. I think it might have got clogged or something, so we'll have to use this. I don't know if it's me, but they're getting very hard to do now. Oh, yes, it came. Ah, yeah, this one must have got stuck or something. Yeah, there's this one. Yeah. We're getting to the cool part. Then after this, we're gonna need to do the wheels. Okay, so as you can see, you're gonna need to double it. That is so weird. I thought I just put one there. Oh, it fell out. Okay, yeah. So what you're gonna want to do is double it so it looks like 2 rubber bands, because this is a very short distance and you're gonna need to move the car. Oh yeah, we have to do the wheels first. I forgot. Yeah, we're gonna need to do the wheels first. So what do you say? I think we'll need the size of this. I think, yeah. We'll need the size of a large bottle cap. I mean, a glue stick. Oh, I don't have a pencil with me. This is so bad. I'm getting so much stuff. We're getting so much stuff today. I better remember my things next time. Okay, there. Okay, now, oh yeah, let's do all of them. Or no, we'll just do 2. Okay, and I'll say about here is the center. You don't need to know the exact center. Just make a rough amount. Yep, there it is. So, now, there it is. So you just want to poke it in. Oh, yeah. Good, yeah, there you go. So now it's really in. And make sure it spins freely. Yeah, it spins. So let's cut out the next one. We got this other one. This one's not that circular, so I'll rub it on the table a bit. Okay, nothing happened. So now we'll also just poke this one in. About there. Yeah, this is the hard part. Getting it to poke it in is pretty hard. I think I'll use a pencil. Yeah, now that's pretty big. Yeah, and just poke the rest in. Now that that's done, oh, I think we'll actually need to bend this so it doesn't go out. I actually didn't notice that part, but I think we will. Because when it spins, the rubber band's gonna pull on it. I actually didn't know that. Notice that part, so let's just do that real quick. That's bent. Now let's bend this part. Okay, yeah, that's done. Let's put that one back in. Yeah, rubber band. Oh, I think I'll actually try both of them on. Let me first try it like this and see if it's good enough. Yeah, I don't think our bending was enough. We're gonna need to bend way more. Yeah, now that's good. So now I'll just put it in. And now that that's in, I'll take it and I'll curve it inwards. So now it can't go out. Take it and curve this one inward too. Okay. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Unless you probably drop it, it's going somewhere. Oh, the wheel fell out. I'll worry about that later. Oh my gosh. That's weird. Oh, I know what to do. Okay. Yeah. Now like a zigzag. And now put that in. Yeah, now it's gonna stay straight. Yeah. Mystery one solved. So put it in like this. So when it spins, it will, yeah. Yeah, if you just leave it be, yeah, it drops. So where's the pliers? Here it is. Okay, yeah, the zigzag on this. Oh, it still falls out. Yeah, that's fine. When it's spinning, it won't fall out, at least, because then it's gonna stay in place. Okay, so now that that part is complete, we can take the rubber band. Yeah, I think just leaving it like this is actually strong enough. When I did that, it was literally breaking it. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to place it there completely. Okay, now let's try it. Oh, it keeps falling out. Okay, it keeps falling out. This is so weird. Okay guys, so I found out what the problem was. The problem was that the wheels were not mounted properly. My plan didn't work that well. So we'll get back to you later in a different video where I try this again. Bye!